the smell of the game.
Hello there, everybody. This is Ruby Rose here, coming at you with another reaction video. It's been a bit since I did one of these. I am sorry about that. But today we are reacting to Oscar, Ozpin, and the Birds and the Bees and Roses and Snow by Celestetcetera. RWBY comment thumbs, and it was dubbed by Mark Jagger II. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And let's go ahead and get started, shall we? Here we go!
Hey guys, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
And go check out his channel too.
Please check out my Patreon if you ever get the chance. Okay, enjoy the video.
And the original video will be down below in the description. Is this Persona music?
And that is how to say the helpless kitty from a tree. Easy, 1, 2, 3.
Oh,
hey,
dear Lord.
That's great, RWBY. Thank you.
Uh-oh.
Excuse me, RWBY. I have to go to the bathroom. I'll be right back. Hey, we need to talk. Why do I suddenly like girls?
I believe that is what we call puberty.
No, not like that. Look, I did a lot of thinking on this, and I
Oh,
know
dear
I
Lord.
didn't like girls before all this started happening.
Well, I suppose I did have a thing for Salem.
Oh no. Oh no, no, fuck no, you are not making me
Oscar!
heterosexual
Oh,
of all
dear
things.
God.
Excuse me? I take quite
Oh,
offense to
dear
that.
Lord.
I am shocked and dismayed that you would accuse me of such a thing. Clearly, you are inheriting my pansexuality.
Are you serious right now?
Oh, I'm very serious.
Oh, dear.
Epilogue.
Some pal you are, man. You played me for a patsy.
Ross knew nothing of your elastic shorts, leisure delights.
Say
Oh,
what? Didn't you
my
tell
God.
Bobby Bladden that you want to bulldoze my house to build a rest home for your nana?
What barbarian would allow their nana to rest? Time for Rose to introduce this Bobby Blobby to Rose's sexuality.
Oh, dear God. Ah. Okay, that was a bit of... Okay, that comic was random. I will admit that was very, very random. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed the video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.
We can't let evil win, take them out. This is justice.